Most people think the story is trade deficit is bad. We should expect more and import less. But the story is a little deeper than that. When the US runs a trade deficit, the dollars don't just disappear. The rest of the world ends up holding them, and those dollars typically get recycled back into the US assets. If the US imports more than it exports, the rest of the world ends up with dollars. Those dollars don't just sit in a vault, they get used to buy US assets, such as treasuries, credit, equities, real estate, private markets. So the trade deficit and the capital inflow are linked. And this is where the household analogy helps. Imagine a household that spends more than it earns every year and also buys more from the neighborhood than it sells back. The only way that household can keep doing that is if the neighborhood keeps lending to it and keeps buying its IOUs. That's not a moral story. That's a funding story. So when someone says, we'll just rebalance trade, what they're really saying is, we want the neighborhood to sell us fewer goods, but we still want the neighborhood to finance our lifestyle the same way.